Hey, how you doing? This is Sai and I'm back with another video for you. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to earn commissions, affiliate commissions, without making any sales with PPL or CPL marketing. Okay, so one of the benefits, amazing benefits of affiliate marketing is that there are different ways that you can earn commissions as an affiliate. The most common one being paid per sale. Okay, getting paid per sale. When you generate a sale, you get paid commission for a product. Okay, so there's also a way where you can get paid even without generating any sales with PPL, CPL marketing. Okay, today I'm going to share with you how to earn commissions from pay per lead or cost per lead affiliate programs, which are also referred to as PPL or CPL. Pay per lead and cost per lead, they're both essentially the same type of affiliate programs that pay you commissions when you have generated a lead for the offer that you're promoting. So for example, these offers are usually lead generation offers where the advertiser goal is to generate leads first, with the strategy to generate sales from those leads in the follow-up communications, and also maybe upsells or one-time offers, okay, after they've subscribed. So, and that's where you as an affiliate can contribute and profit from by helping the product owner, the affiliate program owner, generate leads from their product and earn commissions from each lead that you generate for them. So these leads can be in the form of email address capture, postcode submits, quotes for a service, i.e. insurance, or any type of data that is specified by the affiliate program owner. Okay, typically these are you'll find that a lot of them are email submissions forms are very common. Okay, so with PPL and CPL programs, you don't even have to generate a sale, and you get paid and earn some decent commissions depending on the niche that you're promoting and the volumes of targeted traffic that you can generate. One important thing to know is that the commissions rates tend to be lower simply because you're only generating lead and not the sale. Okay, however, if you can figure out a strategy to generate tons of target traffic at low cost, then you may do very well. So PPL and CPL affiliate programs can turn out to be an easier way to convert in many cases, as they don't require an immediate purchase from your audience. However, don't assume it's an easy ride. Okay, so when it comes to marketing these types of offers, you still have to carry out more or less the same type of activities as you would do when promoting sales-based affiliate program, where you get traditional affiliate programs where you get paid per sale. These activities include creating landing pages, split testing your campaigns, getting visitors, of course, to your pages, traffic generation, creating ads, placing ads, and writing value-based content. Okay, let's look at popular CPA PPL affiliate network, where you can go on to and look for those type of offers. Okay, so if you're interested in these type of programs, some companies directly manage their own affiliate programs, CPA PPL affiliate programs, but you are likely to find more variety in the different niches that you're interested in. You may be interested in if you go to specialist affiliate networks that have these type of offers. Okay, so here's a few of the top networks that have PPL, CPL offers that you can go for. So Max Bounty is one of them, PFly, CPA Lead, ClickBooth, Amitad, and these are just some of the top ones. Okay, I'll put the links in the YouTube description below. You can go and check them out. I personally signed up with PFly, and it's very great, fantastic network, and you can check that one out as well. So there you have it. If you want the ability to earn commissions without making any sales, then you may want to add CPA PPL affiliate offers to your marketing portfolio. Okay, so that's it for now. And if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you would like some affiliate marketing resources to build your affiliate business, please visit affiliateship.com/free. I'll put the YouTube link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.